Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch off dark theme in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your settings. Now scroll down, press on display and brightness. Here you can see the option of dark theme. If you want to switch off your dark theme in your Android phone, you just have to turn up the button. That's it. So this is how to switch off dark theme in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.